me, Miss Montague. Okay, so a lot of you guys shared some really strong multiplication strategies yesterday, and you shared your thinking so well that I could see the process that you were going through as a mathematician. So I'm really excited about some of the conclusions and claims that you guys made as a mathematician. So first we're going to look at two students' work, and then we are going to dive into a new question about Gateway. And it has to do a lot with how your day is going to look when you go to Gateway. Okay, so I'm really excited to share this with you. Here we go. Okay, so this mathematician right here really stuck close to the numbers. And instead of 25 for each class, they went ahead and rounded up to 30, which some might consider 30 in each class as a more friendly number. Okay, so they took 30 students times the 36 classrooms that we decided. Okay, so their number is, they decided that there's about 1,080 students at Gateway. Awesome. That's a lot of students, don't you think? Okay, so this mathematician really made sure to give the model a purpose. So she did 6 plus 6 plus 6 plus 6 plus 6 plus 6, and then she got 36. So she knows that there's 36 classes, and then she decided to stick with 25 students and solve for how many students will be at Gateway if there's 25 in each class. And she came to the conclusion that's going to be about 900 students. Okay, so we have two different products. So the student numbers for Gateway are either going to be in the 900s or closer to the 1,000. Okay, so I wonder what the final enrollment is. Drum roll, please. I have the total enrollment, or what they think the number for Gateway is going to be. 933 students. What? That seems like a ton of students. Whew. Okay, so if you have that many students really walking around in the hallway, then you have to have a set schedule and a system, right? Like, kids are going to have to be moving around the hallway at this time, and then other kids are going to have to move around the hallway at this time. Okay, so the next thing I want to show you is the schedule. Okay, and your schedule is going to be different depending on what team you're in, or what classes you're taking. If you're taking band, or I don't know, do they have band? I would think. So let me show you your schedule. Okay, so at Gateway, you're going to have two 45-minute instructional periods, so 2 45-minute blocks, and then 4 55-minute blocks. So this might be like math, science, reading, and writing. I'm not sure if that's right, but that seems like it might be something like that. And then this might be like your encore block. I'm not sure. I'm really guessing there. But you have 4 55-minute blocks and then 2 45-minute blocks. Over to the side, I was trying to decide how much time you would have between your classes. So if you had to be at one place and then you had to go to another class, like how much time you would get to your new class. And so I thought like maybe 3 minutes if you had to go get something, or you had to use the restroom or whatever. But sometimes I feel like I had 5 minutes. So I said from anywhere between 3 minutes and 5 minutes you would get to like go to a new class. Okay, so my question would be, how much time will you spend at Gateway based on this schedule? And if you tell me a lot of minutes, like 1,000 whatever crazy number of minutes, that's really not going to mean a lot to me. So I'm wondering in hours, and then if you want to also include minutes too. So how many hours and then how many minutes are you going to be spending at Gateway per day? Okay, if your schedule looks something like this. Okay, I can't wait to see your thinking today. Woohoo!